Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute paper quilling Santa Claus showpiece for the Christmas festival. You can just decorate your house with this cute 3D quilling Santa Claus. I have added bell and lots of gifts around the Santa. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need red and black color 5 mm quilling strips, white, peach and black 3 mm strips, quilling mold, pencil, quilling tool, scissor and liquid glue. First I am starting with making the face. For this I am taking 7 strips of white color and making one tight coil. Here I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So we have reached till the end. I am securing it using glue. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using 7 strips of peach color 3 mm. So I am taking my quilling mold and shaping both the tight coils as a dome. Add glue inside both the domes. Spread it using brush and connect both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Now I am starting with the hand. For this I am taking these two tight coils which are made using 5 mm red color strip. This tight coil is made using 2 strips and this is made using 3 strips. Now I am just opening these coils and making cone using pencil and my fingers. I have already prepared 2 cones for one hand. So here I am showing you for other hand. The height of both the cones should be same. Adding glue inside both the cones. And then I am joining these cones like this to create folded hand. So hands are ready. It's completely dried. Now I will show you how to add fringe strip. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 10 mm and I have created lots of fringes on this strip. I just cut small fringes using my scissor, just like we create for fringe flower, and I am wrapping this fringe strip around the edge of this hand sleeve. Like this. Now I am wrapping one red color strip around this. So this is done. Now here I have created the hat using 6 strips of red color and added fringes on the bottom just like we added for the hand, and I have created a cone and bended it little bit for the hat look. Now I am showing you how to create palm. For this I have prepared this tight coil using 3 strips of peach color 3 mm, and I am just pinching it and creating a tight teardrop shape. Now I am taking two 5 mm red color strips and creating a ring. Like this. Now I will connect my palm inside this ring. This ring will help us to connect the palm with the hand easily. In the same way I have created one more, so I will show you how to connect palm and hands. Just add little glue and tuck it like this. In the same way I will add the other palm with the other hand. Now here I am taking this big tight coil which is made using 12 strips of red color 5 mm, and here I am creating the upper body. So I am just opening it and creating a deeper dome using my fingers, just tapping the center using back side of the pencil. So dome is ready. I am filling this using liquid glue. Allow it to dry. Now I am taking one red color paper sheet and I am adding little glue on the edge of this dome and connecting on the sheet just to cover the base of the upper body. And now I am showing you how to create neck. For this I am taking one strip of peach color 3 mm and creating a small ring using my fingers. So that will be the neck. Now I am connecting the neck with upper body, and then I will add face on top of this. Allow it to dry. So it's completely dried. I have cut the excess paper from the bottom and added the fringe strip just like we added for the hands. Added one black strip for belt and one white strip for the shirt. Now here I am adding this golden color ring in the center of the belt as a buckle. Then I am showing you how to create legs. So here I have prepared some shapes. This cone is made using 4 strips of 5 mm red color. This tight coil is made using 3 strips of 5 mm black color. These two tight coils are made using 2 strips of black color 3 mm, and this tight coil is made using 1.5 strip of black color 3 mm. Now take this big tight coil, make a teardrop shape and also shape it as a dome. Add little glue inside this, so that will be the shoe. And then I am taking one strip of black color 5 mm and creating a bended semicircle. Then adding this semicircle with the teardrop dome from back side. Hold it for some time, and then I am adding tight coils one by one. So it will look like a gum boot. Now I am taking half strip of 5 mm white color and creating small fringes like this, and wrapping this fringe strip around the leg in the bottom. In the same way, I am adding one more strip for the double fringe layer. It will look like a furry effect. Now I am adding the leg with the boots. Then I have created this tight leaf shape using 4 strips of red color 5 mm, and I have created the upper part of leg as a leaf and connecting it like this. Here I have created a leaf shape so that we can easily put our upper body on top of this. Now the boots and legs are dried, so I am connecting the upper body with the legs. Like this. Now I am showing you how to create moustache. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 3 mm and creating a bended leaf shape. In the same way I have created one more. And now for the nose I am taking 1/4 strip of peach color. I have cut 3 mm strip from the center to create a thin strip, and I'm using this thin strip to create nose and ears. So here I have created a teardrop shape, and in the same way I have created ears. And also the small lip using red color paper. These two eyes are black bindi. And here I have created this cute pair of glasses using golden jump ring, and I have added one golden color paper in the center of the jump ring to create glass. Now take back your Santa. I have attached both the hands with the Santa, and now I will start adding features one by one. Like this. Now I will show you how to prepare small gift. So here I have added 3 layers of mount board with each other, which is approximately 2 by 2 centimeter, and I am wrapping this bunch using green color paper. You can use any paper of your choice, and creating a small gift box. Then I will add golden color strip on top of this as a ribbon. In the same way I have created lots of gifts with different sizes. Now I am showing you how to create hairs for beard and backside. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 3 mm and just creating a open coil like this. In the same way I have created some more coils. Then taking back my Santa, and I will start adding these hairs one by one on beard and on the back side of the head. So after adding all the hairs, it will look like this. Very curly hairs. I'm just loving it. Now I'm taking this golden color bell which is ready made, and I'm connecting the bell on the hand of Santa. If you don't find the ready-made bell, you can also create your own bell using golden color paper strips. And on other hand, I will stick this small gift which we have created. Then I am putting this cute hat like this. Now I am taking this circle which is having 9 cm diameter, and I have added one golden ring around this. This is a thick white color sheet circle, and first I am connecting the Santa in the center, and then I will add all the gifts here and there. And to give a snowy look, I am adding these thermocol balls here and there on the base. So it's completely ready. Isn't the Santa with the gifts are looking very pretty? I'm just loving it, and I'm sure you will try it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.